Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you guys configuring all mobile platforms. So first I show some settings for Android in VirtualBox. So I in previous video I take 3 GB RAM for Android machine in VirtualBox. Just make sure optional and hard disk is first and second, and take the floppy last in boot box. Go to processor, need to change something. Here I can take two processor, make two. Go to display option. Now go to display option, and need to change graphics controller. One more thing, need to link here ID in this stores. Just click the empty controller ID name and select the location, the Android file I download, and change graphics controller VGA VBox S VGA. This is the basic settings. Actually, whenever you configure your VirtualBox for Android, press M3, and in the attributes section have to indicate the local file where the Android 86 is located. Linked this. Here I download it, so my file is in download options. Here is my file, Android 86. Just open simply and click OK. And networks setting, let it be as it is. Now close the VirtualBox and open again VirtualBox machine. Simply click the Android or press start. Now Android 86 running automatic boot option is enabled and automatic boot is running. Need some time for this procedure for the first time installation or configuration. Now look at